It's me Pallabi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a tutorial. Yes, a tutorial of one of my choreographies on the song Morni Banke. I'll link the dance video somewhere here and also in the description below so that you can check that out as well. And I'm sure you can learn this choreography very easily and have lots of fun. So watch this video till the end. And without further ado, let's begin. So, we'll start from the line Tenu puchna hai ekko hi sawal. And what we'll do first is you can place your hands here. You can hold your kurta or your dress, yes, and then move back on our toes. Tenu puchna hai ekko hi sawal. Yes. On sawal, we'll just hop in our place with our hands locked together down. Let's do it again. Tenu puchna hai ekko hi sawal. From here, we'll take our right leg out and we'll keep our right hand up. One. And then we'll bring our left hand, lock our hands together. And then we'll move our hands down while moving our hips out and in. Let me show you from the front. So it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, we'll take a right step with our hands out. Kahan ja rahe ho? Kya karna hai? What are you doing? Yes. 1, 2, and 3. From here, what we'll do is we'll hop on our left leg and kick our right leg up. Yes. And while doing this, we'll move towards our right. And we'll place our left hand on your waist and your right hand will be like this. Let's do it together. From here, we'll move forward. Jaan cut. We'll make a heart with our hands. Jaan cut. From here, we'll take a dip. We'll jump on our right leg and take our left leg up. 1, 2. Yes, like this. And while doing this, first we'll take our left hand down, right hand down. Yes. Do it fast. 2. And then from here, we'll move back. 1, 2, 3. From here, we'll move forward. We'll do a little catwalk. Yes, like this. Okay. From here, we'll move back. But this time, first we'll take our left leg back, then right leg, and then, yes, hop on our left leg while brushing our hands together. Yes. Like this. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. We'll repeat it again. 1, 2, 3. From here, we will move forward. Dil mera. So we'll place a hand on our chest twice. Dil mera. And then point our left hand forward. Tere liye. And then take a turn towards our left. Tarpe. And as we turn, we'll bring our hands behind our head. Okay? From here, we will kick our left leg once here, and then move back on our toes. Yes? Okay. So from here, what we'll do is, we'll take our right leg and right hand towards our left. 1, then bring both of this back. So while I'm moving back, I'm making a semicircle with my hand. Yes. 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. We'll make a round twice with our hands. Our hands going round, and your legs. Your left feet would be placed firmly on the ground, but we'll jump on that leg, yes, and your right feet would be on your toes. So it's like 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Yes. From here, we will move our hands, take our hands back behind our head, and then move our hips up and down. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah. From here, we'll move towards our right on our toes. 1, 2, 3 and hop. Same thing on the left. 1, 2, 3 and hop. From here again, we will take our right leg out. We'll keep our legs wide. Yes. Morni Banke. So your hands are like this. Yes. Morni Banke. And then Morni Banke. So this was the choreography. Let's do it again with the music. So that was my choreography on the song Morni Banke. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button below, share it with your friends, family, your loved ones, and don't forget to tag me or mention me when you share your version of this choreography. Also, comment below what tutorial would you love to learn next, or what song would you want me to perform next. Yes? And for more such content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. I share videos on dance, wellness and self-expression through dance. So if you'd like to learn more, subscribe below and follow me on my social media accounts mentioned in the description below. So that's it for today. Have a great day, have a great night. Bye-bye and take care.